Will the President order the BIR records of the VP who's now on trial for impeachment at the Senate?
I think so. I
Why?
think so.
Why?
Dahil naging
Why
proseso
so?
kasi last time, ang Kongreso ang nagbigay sa Senado ng green box. Sinasabi ng Senado, dapat kami magre-request niyan as an impeachment court. Kaya pinasoli nila sa BIR, di ba? Sila ngayon ang magre-request at dahil ang boss ng BIR, yung presidente, executive, then the executive will give the go signal. Parang yun yung tamang ruta.
Is that the only way it can be opened? Hindi ba pwedeng mag-rule din, mag-vote ang senators?
Yes, majority. Kung halimbawa, may kumontra, mag-request. Pagbotohan natin yan. Di pagbobotohan.
So the motion will be to request the President to order the BIR? Ganun ba?
Hindi ko alam kung ganon or to request the BIR, request na to ng Senate at sa impeachment court, yung BIR magtatanong ngayon sa highest official ng executive. Dahil nasa executive
So in
kasi
the end, it will still fall on the desk of BBM?
Yes, in a way. No?
And
Yung BIR kasi magsisigurado yan eh. Papadalang marami on our own.
di
Napaka-controversial.
sasabihin political persecution.
Of course, no? Lagi naman sinasabi. kung yun lagi ang consideration mo, baka wala na mangyari.
Pero I know you've been critical of the government na parang hindi uma-action, mga...
Very tentative.
Correct.
Ganun.
Ngayon hindi na.
Hindi ko na sinabi ang santo minabanatan as a weak government. No?
So,
Dahil long overdue to eh. Dapat dati pang ginawa ito eh. Last 2 minutes ka na ngayon eh. Last two years.
Right. At saka you're not...
Diba?
What do you have to lose?
Yes.
When you think about it?
Hindi ka naman kandidato sa 2028.